Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team taking a look at your forecast, and we have a much more active pattern that's going to get started on Sunday. Now, there's much lower impacts to the Front Range in this pattern, but we will be involved at some point. And the mountains are looking pretty good. This first storm system coming out of Southern California will scrape right through Colorado Sunday into Monday. That'll bring us some mountain snow and some wind down on the Front Range. And then it'll reload almost another storm system in the exact same spot. And as this one moves towards us, we'll put this into motion Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll get a little bit of backside support from another trough coming in here with that. And that looks like a much better solution to probably get our first snowflakes of the season here in Denver. But first, let's take a look at the first storm system that's coming through. Sunday morning, we'll see those rain showers starting on the western slope, lasting through the afternoon hours, maybe a few sprinkles up on the high mountain peaks. And as we get after dark, after the sun goes down on Sunday, we'll start to see those snow showers become a little bit more widespread, and we'll include all of our mountain ranges at some point through the night, and it'll go overnight into Monday morning. We could catch a couple of sprinkles a few times late Sunday night, early Monday morning here in the metro areas, but that's not going to actually result in probably any measurable rain at all, just sprinkles. And then these rain shower or snow showers continue, and then the storm just kind of drifts off into the northeast there, and we're done with this storm system by about 7 o'clock on Monday night. And so when you're looking at the snow, this forecast is pretty decent because it covers all of our mountain ranges. When we're all in very, very desperate need of some snow. Doesn't look like a huge storm, however. There are currently no winter weather advisories in place. 1 to 4 inches on the northern passes and 3 to 8 on the southern mountain passes. Beef that up just a little bit there as the trend's a little bit higher for the southern mountains for that storm system. So the impact here, the weather impact, is definitely going to be on the mountain passes above 10,000 feet here, mostly in the south, but really all our passes will see some snow at some point. The best time to get some dicey weather, some driving weather here, 10 p.m. Sunday into 10 a.m. Monday. It won't be too widespread, but a few of our passes will have their moments for sure. Here in the metro area, we're looking at mostly wind as an impact. Let's take you into Sunday afternoon. Now, these winds will start to kick up at some point. I think that they will probably start maybe right after the Denver Broncos football game, maybe 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. These winds will start to gust up here. So the game itself and all those early afternoon plans outdoors should be pretty decent. And then the winds kick up there for a while, lasting overnight in the foothills. And then on Monday, those will kick back in a couple of times as we go through the day. So wind will be the issue here on the Front Range over the next couple of days. And here's your 7-day forecast. Finally, we have some snowflakes in the 7-day forecast, at least the icons. I think the way it looks right now is mainly going to be a rain-snow mix at times on Thursday. And then once we get 30 degrees on Friday morning, we could start to see some accumulation. I think places like Evergreen, Morrison, Castle Pines going to knock that first snow out of the season. But I'm still not sure if we can say Denver will get our first snow accumulation of the season, but we will at least have 2 wintry days to talk about. That's a look at your forecast. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you all have a real nice Sunday.